Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I'm here with other groups. Say hello, bro. Hey, and this is my group, and we will reflect an anecdote of Jose Rizal with a title of The Moth and the Lamb. Yes. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna start this video. Let's go.
Good day, everyone. So I'm Doris Villalon, together with Emerson Hemino and me, Mime Harris, and we're here to reflect on the story that we read, written by Dr. Jose Rizal, entitled On the Moth and the Lamb.
Yes. So, first, what's your reflection about that? Yes.
Yes, I will summarize it.
Yes.
Once upon a time, there's a boy named Rizal. He don't know how to read Spanish. Then his mom, that's right, his mom.
So, yes.
Tell him a story with a title of The Moth and the Lamb. Wow. The moth is hard-headed. Yeah, that's why he got burned, bro. Yes, he got burned.
Wait, bro, wait. Calm down, bro. Calm down. Okay,
He got burned, and because of he is hard-headed, he got burned. And the moral lesson in this story is always listen to your parents or to your elders, and to keep you away from danger. Yes. Yay!
Now, it is my turn. So, when I first read this, The Moth and the Lamb, so it is a meaningful story, and I learned that curiosity will kill you, and that's true. We youth often is curious about something that is attractive. So that, yeah, just like he said, the little moth is so hard-headed. So yes. Yes, that I'm baliw. Yes. So the little moth is ignoring his mother.
Yes.
So he's attracted by the light, and when he goes there, it died. So yes, the moral story about this is that we don't need to be curious about something. It is better to be what do you call that? Yes. It is Jerry's turn.
Dami niya sa puso.
Yes, it's your turn.
It's your turn, bro.
So this is my turn.
Yes.
We can connect this to the God's will. Yes. Sometimes.
Yes. Go ahead. Continue. I'm just
Continue, bro.
making them entertain.
Yes. Because this is vlog, bro.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And
This is
yes.
yes. Hey, go away.
Go. Kaya na 3 minutes na.
When I read the story,
Yes.
Okay na. Yes.
so when I read the story, I think we can connect this to the God's will, because whenever we choose a path we want to take, or a desires, or a dream that we want to achieve, or goals that we must attain. Despite the prayers that we do,
Everything that I've ever
Because sometimes we work hard, strive, and pray for what we want in life. But despite of praying to the goal that we want to achieve, sometimes God's never allow us to attain that. Because
giving us something that is not connected to that, but
Continue.
sometimes despite of the prayers that we do, we do not God does not
yun lang.
God don't allow us because maybe it will shatter us into pieces.
Yes.
Or
Amen.
sometimes the path that we want to take is not that
Go. Complete the mission. Final.
Pumuikat ka muna.
wala saan ako nag-stop.
Yes.
Bakit ang busy sa'yo?
Ito mo pre, laro ka pre.
So,
Oh yes.
we can connect this to the God's will.
How so? Yeah.
We must trust and surrender all to God because we dream about what we want to achieve in life. We work hard, strive,
Okay, continue.
we work hard, strive, and pray for what we want in life. And sometimes, despite the prayers that we did, God don't allow us out to achieve what we want in life because maybe it can broke us or shatter us into pieces. So we can connect this to the God's will because sometimes despite our best effort, things don't go as planned. Why?
I don't know, bro.
Do you say so? I
It's your
know.
own reflection, bro.
It's your own. No, ask me a question. So, what would you ask for me? What do you mean a joke? Naman. So, yes,
So,
continue.
therefore, we must align our dreams into God's will because with God's will, we can find peace and contentment. Because
Couldn't beat this.
so we can find peace and contentment in the midst of uncertainty.
Yes. You're done? You're done?
No, not yet. No, you can done with that.
Yes,
You can
it's fine. Green Chen,
That doesn't mean that we don't need to strive or work hard. Instead, we must align our goals or achieve with God's direction. And
Wala yung mga ano ko dyan, oh.
yeah, with God's direction.
Yes.
Yes, that's all!
Yes,
Finally!
Oh, you already sick!
Final! Wow! So, yes,
Ang
guys.
late, okay?
Yes,
So, yes,
guys.
guys, that's our reflection about the story of Dr. Jose Rizal, the moth and the lamp. So, the moral story for me is that some things are better unexplored. So, you don't need to be curious about something that is far beyond your age, or so just live your life to the fullest without thinking or overthinking about something. What can you say about the story?
It's fine. Yes.
Yes, fine.
It's fine,
Not all?
but wait, just wait.
Okay.
I'm speaking. In that story, there's a lot of lesson that you will get. For example, that because you're hard-headed and you not listen to your parents, you put yourself in danger. That's why you need to listen on your mother or mother and father. Yes, to keep you away in danger.
So, how about you?
So for
Miss
me, not everything that shines is worth pursuing. Sometimes, some things is left unexplained.
Thank you. Uy, let me go.
Yes. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and give us a good grade. So this page will make happy. Yes. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.